Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily see your Instagram password if you forgot it, alright? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and open up your phone. Now go ahead and go to any of your available browsers, okay? Because at some point you might have signed in using that browser, okay? You can't just easily see your password from Instagram app, as it is a security measure of Instagram, so that it won't show your password to anybody, okay? So first up, open up your browser that is available. Okay? If you have multiple browsers, you may want to check every browser by just following these steps. Go to the three dots to open up these settings of the browser, like so. Now in here, go to the very bottom and find passwords and autofill, okay? You can go ahead and tap on password manager. All right, every browser got this setting. Just tap on it. And here, as you can see, we have multiple accounts right here. For example, I'm going to open up my Twitch. If Instagram is listed right here, go ahead and tap on Instagram. And in here, we have the password. Just tap on the I right here to uncover your password. But if you want to, you can go ahead and copy your password from here. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.